This time I'm going to teach you how to sketch logarithmic function. Okay, this is the general form for logarithmic function. Okay, log x minus h to the base b plus k. Okay, and this is the graph. The graph is when b base more than 1, the graph is select the green graph. Okay, this is asymptote, and then the graph is increasing up to infinity. This is line y equals x. So the graph starts x-axis at 1 point. Okay, this is when b is more than 1. Then when b lies between 0 to 1, the graph is reflected by x-axis. So this is also asymptote. And then the graph is decreasing like this, like the pink color. Okay, and this is for log graph L. So the graph is same like L. Okay, L. So how to sketch the graph? Okay, sketching the graph for log. Okay, from log I change to base. Okay, this is log, change to index. So n is equal to a to the power x. From log to index. Now from log change to index or exponent form. This is exponent. B power something base. Okay, this is in exponent form. Okay, so same like exponential function. To sketch the graph, I follow the acronym AIS. A is asymptote, I is intercept point, S is starting point. Okay, going to use AIS to sketch the graph for logarithmic function. Look at the first example. Given the function fx log x minus 3 to the base 2 plus 1. So change to y equals this one. Then from the log, okay, log function, change to exponential function. Okay, so bring one to the right like this. Then from log to index or exponential function. So write x as a subject. X equals 2 power y plus 1 plus 3. So refer to this term, this function. Okay, asymptote. Asymptote is x equals 3. So we can choose, okay, right, x is equal to 3. That is a asymptote, vertical asymptote. Intercept point. When y is equal to 0, y0, substitute y0 to 0 plus 1, 2 plus 3. So x is equal to 5. This is point. And then for starting point, x, y. For x, okay, we check this one. This is refer to x. The coefficient plus, this is plus. Then for y, here, check here is beside y. And you get the also plus. So for x plus, the region is first quadrant and fourth. And then for y plus, this is the second quadrant and first quadrant. So the graph, the starting point is in the first quadrant. Okay. So now first step, sketch vertical asymptote. Okay, use the line and label the graph. X equals 3, the vertical asymptote. So intercept point 5, 0. 5, 0. Here, 5, 0. Then let's sketch the graph. Starting point lies in the first quadrant. Okay, here, first quadrant. And join up to here. Then the graph join here until this is asymptote. So this is the graph. So domain for this function, okay, as you can see, starting from 3 up to infinity. 3 is not included. The range for log always real numbers. You can have double check. Okay, domain for log. Okay, domain for log x minus 3 always more than 0. X more than 3. Okay, you can have double check. Settle for the first example. The second example, given this function, change to y equals log x minus 3 to the base half plus 1. And then change to this type. Change to x as a subject to exponential function. And from here, as you can see that this is x, 3. So the asymptote is x is equal to 3. To find the intercept point, let y is equal to 0, substitute 0, 2 plus 3, x is equal to 5, then the point is 5, 0. And starting point, x, y, value for x is positive. For y, so for y, check here. For beside y is negative. So the value for y is negative. And sketch the region x positive, first and fourth quadrant. Then for y negative, third and fourth quadrant. So starting point is in the fourth quadrant. Then let's sketch the graph. Okay, x equals 3 is a asymptote, vertical asymptote. X equals 3. Then 5, 0. 3, 5, 0 here. And then the graph starting okay, from the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant up to this point, 0, 5. And then up to here. This is considered asymptote. This is the graph. To find the domain of f, okay, the graph starting from 3, not included, to infinity. Range of f always real numbers. You need to have double check here. Domain everything here, x minus 3 more than 0 or x more than 3. So this is point. Okay, settle for this example. For this example, y equals log 3 minus x to the base 2 minus 1. Change to in the exponential form, write x as a subject. And then, okay, you can hear x equals negative 2 to the power of y plus 1 plus 3. So asymptote is x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Then, when y is equal to 0, y equals 0, so negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So the point is 1, 0. And starting point, x, y, and check. Oh, x negative. Okay, saying x negative. For y positive. Sorry, x negative. Negative, y positive. So, for x negative, this is the region. Second and third quadrant. For y positive, second and first quadrant. So starting point is just in the second quadrant. Okay, sketch graph. First is vertical asymptote. X is equal to 3. Then intercept point is 1, 0. 1, 0. This is 3. So 1 here. 1. And then the graph starting point is in the second quadrant. Here, join the graph to the point and continue. This one is asymptote. Okay, settle. Okay, so to find the domain of f, okay, starting from negative infinity up to 3, not included. Range for log, always real numbers. Okay, double check here. Domain 3 minus x more than 0 and x less than 3. Okay, settle for this example. For this function, okay, change to in this form, where x is a subject in exponential function, and then find the asymptote. Asymptote is x is equal to 3, x equals 3, x equals 3. Then, okay, when y is equal to 0, y 0, okay, negative 2, okay, negative 2 here, then negative 1 over 2 plus 3. Answer is x is equal to 2.5. Okay, and starting point x, y. For x, okay, this is negative, and also for y, this is negative. So x negative, okay, here in the second and third quadrant, and then for y negative, third and fourth quadrant. So starting point, that's in the third quadrant. And then sketch the graph. Okay, this is vertical asymptote. X equals 3. And the point is 2.50. 2.50. Here, have some way wrong. Then the graph is starting graph in the third quadrant. Then join the graph to the point and join until you get the asymptote. Okay, this is the graph. Domain of this function from negative infinity up to 3, not included. Range for this function is real numbers. Double check. Domain 3 minus x more than 0 and x less than 3. Okay. Settle for this logarithmic function.